Hey guys, check this out. I just got home from work and these just arrived, and they're the Burro brand Sawhorses. We did not get a chance to review these in our last Sawhorse head-to-head, but they're kind of cool, and I wanted to show you this. And this is not really a review. I haven't used these yet, but I just wanted to show you. It's got, it's got a strong back here. It's got locking supports for the legs. But check this out. So this is the one that is set up, and it's pretty damn sturdy. It's about, how tall are these? About 3 feet? 28 inches by 3 feet long. But this is what I wanted to show you, and maybe I'll do a review on these after I get them on the job site for a while. So they've got this Velcro that's attached to the bottom, and it scared the heck out of me when it did that. I don't know if you saw that or not, but it just did this. Shot up at me. So I was like, what do I do with this? I wasn't even sure how to figure it out. Then I started looking at it, and you just pull this out a little bit, and there's a dowel here and a spring in here. Right inside there's a spring, and you just pull it out and turn it, and it locks. There's a dado in the leg. I'll do this one right here. Pull it out. There's the dado right there, and locked. And then this little guy, pinch this together a little bit. It's awkward doing it upside down, but let's see if I can do it. Tension with the spring. Now this guy just comes out. It's funny with the spring. Locks in, out, locks in, put it up, set the leg, a little bit of tension, done. And it is pretty solid. So I thought I'd just share this with you. This is not a review. I have not used these yet, but they're kind of cool, and they're pretty lightweight. So, Burro brand Sawhorse. We'll be checking them out. Check out the little, the end of it too. It's kind of cool.